Many engineers think all oscilloscopes offer similar performance, but not all oscilloscopes are built for advanced analysis. Hi, I am an electronics engineer with over a decade of experience. I've tested countless oscilloscopes in real R&D and lab settings. The biggest issue? Limited bandwidth and poor signal accuracy. These limitations can cause missed details and costly errors. If you're serious about precision, your tools must match your needs. That's why I recommend the Siglent SDS802X 804X HD oscilloscope. This isn't just another scope, it's engineered for professionals. You get 70 mmHz bandwidth and 4 independent channels. The 12-bit high-resolution ADC captures even subtle waveform changes. Its 7-inch capacitive touchscreen offers intuitive multi-touch control. Font sizes are adjustable for clear, efficient waveform analysis. With 80,000 waveforms per second, you won't miss rare events. Segmented memory mode allows rapid review of up to 80,000 records. Advanced statistics and parameter measurement streamline troubleshooting. Remote web control lets you operate from anywhere in your lab. Multiple connectivity options: USB, LAN, RS-232 for seamless integration. High-speed hardware-based mass testing ensures reliable QA checks. Advanced serial bus decode simplifies complex protocol analysis. Deep memory, up to 50 MB, enables long signal capture sessions. The low noise floor ensures accurate readings even at high speeds. Optional modules support baud plot, power, and mixed signal analysis. It's compact, rugged, and designed for demanding environments. Let's see it in action during a real debugging session. Notice how the touchscreen speeds up navigation and measurements. Multi-channel input reveals signal relationships instantly. Mass testing quickly identifies waveform anomalies. Segmented memory mode helps isolate rare glitches for review. Advanced math and FFT functions provide deeper insights. Remote web control allows collaboration with off-site colleagues. Engineers have reported faster analysis and fewer missed faults. In production lines, automated testing improves efficiency. In research, high resolution reveals subtle design flaws. In troubleshooting, deep memory captures elusive events. Siglent's robust build stands up to daily lab use. Flexible connectivity makes integration simple and fast. Plus, enjoy free worldwide shipping and easy returns via AliExpress. Limited time sale. Upgrade your lab while stocks last. Don't settle for outdated or underpowered equipment. Choose the SDS802X 804X HD for professional, precise analysis.